Hello friends, today the topic of my video is confusion. We all have faced this confusion and we have all have gone through this confusion. How to overcome this confusion and how to handle the confusion situations. When we are in confusing situations, there may be just one option and we have to decide whether to go for it or not to go for it. And the second situation, when we have so many options and we have to decide one thing. The females face this when they have lot of options in a shop and they are not able to decide which one to choose, which one to not to choose. So how to overcome this confusing situation? And in life also we have confusing situation whether to go for it or not to go for it and which option to choose. When we have so many options to choose, I have one formula. Just take one page and draw lines like this, that is make columns, and on one side you just write the headings. In headings you write the steps, the plus, the minus, the consequences and more points as per your field. Now take all the options and write whether this option is good for me, the steps, the length of the step, the duration of the steps and the consequences of the steps. When you are sure that you have made the full list and have taken all the options in consideration, then decide the best option. Then the confusion will be clear. And while you have just one option and you have the confusion whether to go for it or not to go for it, again draw one line on this side, what will be the profits and what will be the benefits of choosing the option and what are the benefits of not choosing the option. If choosing the option has neutral consequences, that is you are not going to get profit or loss, then go for it. Today also there is a confusion whether I should make the video in this news place because I was not confirm about the lighting. I did not have the mic, but I decided that if I make the video, then my message will be transferred to my group members, and that is why I made this video. So all the people who are having the confusion whether to go for it or not to go for it, because you have just one option, go for it. That is, you have just one option to make the video. So you have to decide between making the video or not making the video. So if you don't make the video, you will remain as a spectator in the audience. But if you make the video, your mistakes will come out. So apart from this, in the life also, if you have multiple options, then take one paper, write all the options, write the headings, see the plus and minus consequences, and then decide the best one. And if you have the option, just one option, and you have to decide whether to go for it or not to go for it, then I think the going for it is better, because you are going to learn. Even if you get fail, you will get new ideas. If you get fail, you know what is you know that you have to go for some other option next time, or you have to do the things in a different manner. So friends, if you are not able to decide whether to go for it or not to go for it, if you go for it, there will be no harm. It may be neutral, it may be no loss, no profit, but it will not be harmful to you. So just go for it, make a video, post it in the group. This is just 30 people group. We all are helpful, we are all are supportive. Tushar, Rajni and Kuldeep, everyone is so supportive, and they are, and now our new motivational speaker, Mr. Santosh Soni, he is also giving his feedback. So we have 4 or 5 people who will be giving you the feedbacks, who will be giving you the ways you can improve your videos. So go for it. Go for the best topic first, then increase the degree of toughness. So have a great day. I have made this video by choosing to make the video, not opting out. Thank you all of you.